Hey there, fellow plant lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something incredibly fascinating and important for all you gardening enthusiasts out there. We're talking about the best ways to boost soil microbes and take your plant's health to the next level. So, if you're ready to dig deep into the world beneath our feet, let's get started. 1. The magic of soil microbes. All right, before we get into the nitty-gritty of how to increase soil microbes, let's talk about what they actually are and why they're so magical for your plants. Your soil is like a bustling city, full of tiny creatures that work tirelessly to keep everything in balance. These tiny creatures are the soil microbes. They include bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and many other microorganisms that play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, soil structure, and plant health. Now, you might be wondering, why should I care about these tiny critters? Well, here's the thing: healthy soil microbes mean healthy plants. They help break down organic matter, release nutrients, and protect plants from diseases. In simple terms, they're like your plant's best friends, working behind the scenes to ensure they thrive. 2. How to boost soil microbes. So, now that we understand how important soil microbes are, let's talk about how we can boost their numbers and diversity in our soil. First up, ditch the chemicals. Using synthetic fertilizers and pesticides can harm soil microbes. Instead, opt for organic fertilizers and natural pest control methods. These allow microbes to flourish and do their job effectively. Next, add compost. Compost is a powerhouse of nutrients and beneficial microbes. It's like giving your soil a nutritious meal that boosts microbial activity and improves soil structure. Another great way to increase soil microbes is by planting cover crops. These plants not only protect the soil from erosion, but also provide food and shelter for beneficial microbes. And don't forget about mulch. Mulching your garden helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and create a favorable environment for soil microbes to thrive. 3. The benefits of healthy soil microbes. Now that we've covered how to increase soil microbes, let's talk about the incredible benefits they bring to your garden. Firstly, improved nutrient availability. Soil microbes break down organic matter into nutrients that plants can easily absorb. This means healthier, more vibrant plants. Secondly, disease suppression. Certain soil microbes act as natural disease fighters, protecting your plants from harmful pathogens. Thirdly, enhanced soil structure. Soil microbes help create a crumbly, well-aerated soil structure, which promotes root growth and water retention. And finally, environmental benefits. Healthy soil microbes contribute to carbon sequestration, reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating climate change. 4. Tips for maintaining healthy soil microbes. Now that you've learned how to boost soil microbes and the benefits they bring, let's discuss some tips for maintaining a healthy microbial community in your soil. First, avoid over-tilling. Excessive tilling can disrupt soil structure and harm beneficial microbes. Instead, practice minimal tillage or no-till gardening methods. Second, diversify your plantings. Planting a variety of crops helps promote a diverse microbial community, leading to a more resilient and balanced ecosystem. Third, avoid compacting the soil. Compaction limits oxygen availability to microbes and roots. Use raised beds or pathways to prevent soil compaction in your garden. And lastly, be mindful of water management. Overwatering or underwatering can stress soil microbes. Aim for consistent moisture levels that support microbial activity. And there you have it, folks, the best way to increase soil microbes and improve plant health. By nurturing these tiny heroes in your soil, you'll create a thriving garden full of healthy, happy plants. Before we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Soil microbes are essential for plant health, nutrient cycling, and disease suppression. You can boost soil microbes by using organic practices, adding compost, planting cover crops, and mulching. Healthy soil microbes lead to improved nutrient availability, disease suppression, enhanced soil structure, and environmental benefits. To maintain healthy soil microbes, avoid over-tilling, diversify plantings, prevent soil compaction, and manage water wisely. For tuning in, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gardening!